Hi, good day. Today we're going to make this the third video of BlueHOST and Wordpress, and today we are going to install the theme, the free theme. And when you have more traffic, you earning some income from WordPress, you can buy some premium themes. You can see here. But today we are going to use these free themes. We want to check this live preview of the 2017. And this is how will look your website. This is, you see, hello world. This sidebar that you see here is the one of the plugins that we installed. The share button by add this. As you can see, LinkedIn, Google+, Pinterest, email, Twitter, Facebook. You can add more if you want, like Zoom, Messenger, all the social media that you want to. And that's it. We're going to put some content now at the. You want to install this theme, and we're going to start writing some content at the website. You see here the cookie policy. Everything is in our website. We're going now to start writing something. Write our first post. Come here to post. Add new post. We are going to add the title. I want to start writing some content. For that tutorial we have some content here that we're going to copy and paste, and then we're going to make some change. Okay, we're going to change the size of each paragraph. We're going to put in medium. because it's better for the for the person that going to a small letter, you can read properly the content that you are writing. So you can change this. This can be changed. And here, for example, the SEO plugin going to tell you that your content needs some words like then, because, and then, so. For that, all of this you need in your paragraph to have better position on Google. For example, we want to change here even is good. Here we want to change we want to put then. Then this receive yes. There's some changes that you can make in this paragraph. But we're not going to make this today because the video will be too long for you. Like this, you see, the receipt. So long as if you here we can put and then the cooking process. There can be many changes in your content to have better position on Google. And here we're going to check the suggestion that the SEO plugin gives for us. This is the title. We have to put some the focus key phrases. We want to put the same. You can see all the progress that you have in your article. You have to improve all of this to get better position on Google. You have to put some internal link, the key phrase density. You have to put more this home receipt or the best home receipts of mom, or the best receipts of mom, everything you can put in your paragraph to have better position. And see, the next that you have to, when you fix everything, then to press on publish, and we want to check how this website is look. We can put some pictures, some videos. You see, this is our website. Now it's alive. Here are our social medias. Our cookie policy here at the bottom. We want to put one picture. That's it. To get better position on Google, you have to put some different title on your paragraph. For example, here you want to use like a second heading, and see that your title is H1. This can be H2. And we can use this as H3. And to use this like H3. Good to put this in. We're going to use that. This is H3, one H2, one H3, and we're going to put some link. For example, we're going to use this as a link. Make redirection to one affiliation link that you have, to other website, to one YouTube video. Everywhere you can make the redirection of this. Want to check if you have any link here to make the redirection for that place. For example, here I put this link that we want to redirect to other website that I have. You can put your link to make redirection to other posts that you have in this website, to other receipt, everywhere you can, to one affiliation product, to one Amazon product. Everywhere you can send the traffic with this, using this website. And when I will have a lot of traffic, I'm going to put some ads, and Google is going to pay me for the advertising that they put in my website. And if the person buy the affiliation product that I'm putting in my website, one book or some receipts, I'm going to earn some commission for this. And this how you can earn some money with your website. And that's it for today. Have a good day, and I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. God bless you.